Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be doing some shadow lettering and we'll consider the light from the left side and we'll be trying to do some shadows on the right side on capital letters. So let's start the video. So in this example, we'll be considering the light coming from the left side, and so we'll be trying to create or write or draw the shadows on the right side of each letter. And here graph paper has been used and a square has been used to write a letter. So horizontally 5 blocks of graph and 5 blocks on the y-axis will be there. So while writing the letter, the height or the y-axis will remain fixed, so it will be 5 blocks for each letter, but the width or the x-axis can be changed. It can be smaller or bigger. Example, letter I, or we have a letter E, so it may vary on the x-axis. The y-axis will not change and the x-axis will change within 5 blocks and it will not cross 5 blocks in this example. And the shadows are created using a single stroke, so there will be no double stroke or thickening of the shadow according to the position of the letter or structure. So in this example only one stroke will be used. Same formula can be used on plain paper or white paper also while creating the shadows of each capital letters. So whatever formula or structure or position of the shadow has been created on this graph paper, same way, same formula can be used on a 2 lines or plain or while creating in a bigger shape or structure as well. So each capital letter is considered or assumed to be a 3D structure, and then the shadow has been created according to the structure, and we are trying to draw or write the same shadow of each letter without drawing the outline of the letter. So that is the example we are trying here. So let's see now how we can write the rest of the letters with the shadows. So the letter W has been created or written in a wrong way with the shadows. So we'll try to analyze the same letter. The initial left part of the W has been created considering the letter to start or have a straight structure, like attaching to the walls or attaching all the 5 blocks on the left side, but the letter W is written with angles. The best way to analyze a letter by joining the missing lines, and by joining the missing lines the complete structure of the letter should be visible with correct shape, and if the shape is correct, that means the shadows are correct. If you like this video, please subscribe and share, and thank you very much for watching.